Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is live from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, hashtag Walk with Lan. If you are feeling the pinch at the grocery store right now, like I was at the start of 2026, stick around because today I'm sharing the exact habits that help myself slash my grocery spending by about 40%. Yeah, you heard it right. We went I went from stressing over couple of monthly bills, no, which is pretty average nowadays, to comfortably under under this amount. And I'm eating better, wasting less, and honestly enjoying food more. This isn't about extreme couponing deprivation. Okay, ha? Ulitin natin. Kamusta mga kaibigan? Welcome back sa ating channel. Kung ramdam mo rin yung hapdi sa bulsa tuwing grocery day sa 2026, bigas pa lang, magkano na? 43 to 52 pesos per kilo. Gulay at isda, fluctuating, manatili ka rito. Ngayon, ibabahagi ko yung exact habits na nakatulong sa akin, ni-cut ang grocery bill ng halos 40% from 14,000 to 16,000 monthly. Ay, nako, ang hirap niyan. Okay, down to 8,000 to 10,000 habang mas masarap pa ang pagkain, less waste at mas healthy. Hindi ito extreme, couponing o gutom mode, ha? Simple, Pinoy style shifts lang na sustainable. Walang hassle, puro practical. Kung ready ka nang magtipid without sacrificing, sarap ha, like na yan at let's go. Early 2026, kahit low ang inflation natin, ramdam pa rin natin rise ceiling efforts, pero presyo ng karne, isda, gulay, umaakyat pa rin minsan. Grocery creeping up. Impulse buys sa supermarket, food na nasasayang sa ref, duplicates. Isang buwan, nagtali ako. Ouch, sarap dami nasasayang, lalo na ang kanin at gulay. Sabi ko, may mas magandang paraan ito. Experiment ako. No fancy apps muna, pero puro awareness at small changes. 6 months later, nakatipid kami, ako, ng 4,000 to 6,000 monthly. Wow, Mas organized ang ref, mas fresh ang food, at mas masaya pa magluto. Tara, i-breakdown natin yung 6 na habits na pinaka-effective dito sa Pilipinas. Habit number 1, Yan, una, bumili ng kaunti ahead, hindi lahat. Stock essentials na lagi mong ginagamit. Bigas, regular milled o well-milled. Tama yan, Okay, kung yung kaya lang, no? Hindi mo naman bibili yung isang kaban, di ba? Okay, mantika, toyo, suka, sardinas, corned beef, instant coffee, tsokolate. Essential yan, no, sa amin. Sa akin, no? Pero yung pinalitan ko ng instant coffee, ng black coffee, brewed coffee. Okay, sa Pure Gold, Save More o SM Hypermarket. Kapag sale, bumili ng 2 to 3 packs, enough for 2 to 3 months. O, only things na bibilihin mo rin naman. Huwag mag-hoard, hindi saving yan. Storage lang na mahal. Protects ka rin sa sudden spikes, lalo na sa bigas. Okay, ikalawa, bumili local kapag kaya, pinakamalaking win ito sa Pilipinas. Sa palengke, wet market, like farmers market sa Cubao, super accessible dyan yan sa Quezon City, Quinta Market, o weekend farmers market sa BGC o Salcedo. Mas mura at sariwa ang gulay, kangkong, pechay, kalabasa, prutas, isda, bangus, galunggong at karne. Okay, may CSA din, like Good Food Community, direct from farmers, weekly box ng organic veggies, comparable o mas mura kaysa supermarket, walang middleman, plus support local farmers. Feels good. CSA box namin halos same price ng supermarket organic pero last longer, less waste. Subukan mo. Search Farmers Market near me o CSA Manila. Ikatlo, bawasan food waste. Mas malaki ito kaysa coupon. Sa Pilipinas, maraming household nagwe-waste ng 20 to 30% ng pagkain, lalo ng kanin. Top wasted food, gulay at meat. Yan ay 2,000 to 5,000 pesos yearly per family. Anong ginawa nakin? Nakin. Anong ginawa ko mga kaibigan? Meal plan bago mag-grocery. Simple ha, weekly, sinigang, adobo, tinola. Shop once a week lang. Hindi daily top up na nagre-resulta sa extras. Linisin ref bago grocery day. Gamitin muna leftovers. Batch cook ha? Basic Sunday, kanin, adobo, nilagang gulay na pwedeng 2 to 3 days. Ngayon, use what we have night's favorite. Stir, fry, o soup sa natira. Instant savings at less guilt. Ikaapat, simplify meals. Hindi kailangan ng fancy every dinner. Mga kaibigan, cheapest pero masarap natin. Protein plus gulay, pritong isda, kangkong, chicken tinola, sopas, sinigang, nilaga, munggo. Use what we have nights, creative pero low pressure. Less decision fatigue, less impulse. Nadiskubre namin ulit sarap ng simpleng Pinoy food kapag fresh. Ikalima, mag-substitute, huwag labanan ang presyo. Kung mahal, pork beef, paibot, manok, ah, bangus, itlog, tofu, beans, seasonal gulay lang. Mas mura kangkong pechay ngayon. Ay, nako, skip imported specialty. Nagiging nudge lang yung price hike para mag-simplify at seasonal. Flexible, hindi deprive. Ika-anim, track spending. Konting awareness lang. Hindi perfect budget. Monthly check, ilang beses shop. Magkano convenience versus ingredients? Saan umaalis? Umaalis pera, soft drinks ba o sa snacks? Apps o notebook, okay. Awareness lang makakatulong. Adjust without feeling restricted. These habits cut our bill. My bill, 42%. Mas fresh, less waste, support local, at nakakatipid para sa ibang needs. O, try nyo meal planning o palengke run this week, mga kaibigan. Anong habit? Okay, bonus quick wins para mas mabilis makita savings. Shop early morning sa palengke, freshest plus best prices. Bring your own bayong, less plastic, sometimes discount. Use pinggang Pinoy guy, no? Half gulay, quarter protein, quarter kanin. Freeze, extras agad, less waste. Join local buy groups sa FB for bulk deals, mga kaibigan. Try one this week, meal plan o palengke run. These habits plus Pinoy discarte cut our bill 40%. Mas fresh food, less stress, more pera, more para sa savings or streets. Start small mga kababayan. Anong habit na susubukan mo ngayong linggo? Or share your own tibid hack. Basa ko lahat. Babasahin ko lahat yan mga kaibigan, ha? Subscribe for more. Okay, subscribe for more Quezon City Budget Wins. Pilipinas, hit the bell. Kaya natin ito, laban lang sa bilihin. Salamat sa panonood. God bless Pilipinas. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.